How does spot margin work at Coinmerce? Shorting crypto and making money on the way down sounds complicated, right? Borrowing assets, collateral, liquidation. But Coinmerce makes the process simple and accessible for every kind of trader and investor. So let's break down how exactly the spot margin works. Collateral. Everything starts with a collateral. To open a spot margin position, you first lock euro as security. This collateral protects against potential losses. And important, your funds are locked, not spent. Next, navigate to the spot margin tool. The amount you borrow depends on the amount of money you put in and the amount leverage you use. Coinmerce will just ask you what you think the selected cryptocurrency will do. Do you think the price will increase or do you think the price will decrease? After selecting decrease, your position will become active. You are now positioned for a potential market decline. But markets move constantly. That means your profit or loss changes in real time. Inside the app, you can monitor your current P&L, borrowing fees, and your position risk indicator. This helps you understand how much risk your current position carries. When do you decide to close the position? The crypto gets bought back from the market. So now the borrowed crypto is paid back. And now your final profit or loss is realized. After that, your collateral becomes available again. Behind the scenes, spot margin is a complex technology. But for users, the experience is designed to stay simple. But still understanding the risk remains extremely important. In the next video, we will explain the most important terms about spot margin every trader should know. We will see you in the next video.
Investing and spot margin involve risks. Cryptocurrency are volatile. Leverage can result in gains and losses. Only invest what you can afford to lose.